Hello Birbhum people. So today I am at Rampurat area and I am in the famous and the best cafe. So this is the TSB cafe. So let's go inside and let's try the food out and let's see the ambience too. So let's go.
বড় বড় ছাড়ো কাটছে দিন আমার বুঝে ওঠে মন পিয়ানো গিটার হালকা ঘুম পাড়ানি সে তো জল্পনাতে কল্পনাতে থাকছে জড়িয়ে লাগে না আবার
Chicken dynamic, so let's try it out. Here is the chips and here are many chickens, so let's try it out. Full fried chicken and filled with the mayonnaise and the sauce. Oh my god, it's just blushing in the mouth. It is so yummy and so cheesy and creamy. And the chips. I guess this chicken is really so good. It is so goodly fried and the mayonnaise is just amazing and the chicken pieces is really soft. I have eaten one and here is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 pieces of chicken is there in just rupees 170. So it's amazing. So let's try another one. I'm just in love. So here is the green apple mojito. So let's try it out. It's too cool and the lemon taste and the soda taste is just amazing and it is having the flavor of green apple. So it is really amazing in taste and see, so huge. It can be served for 2 people and the drink is just awesome. So guys, finally here is my strawberry waffles. So here are 4 pieces of waffles, and here is the ice cream, and see the toppings, so good. And here is the strawberry syrup. So let's try one of the waffle. So let's try it out. Yummy. Mm. So guys, I guess these waffles are really so good and so crispy and crunchy, and the ice cream with the waffle is just melting in the mouth. So for me, these waffles are really amazing in such areas. So really awesome. So guys, I hope you like my video. Please do like, comment, share. Thank you for watching, and bye bye for now. Love you guys. Bye bye.